Students, how are you all? I hope you will find and I welcome you to the science class for class 8th, and today we are going to learn the remaining thing of chapter 9, that is reproduction in animals. So without wasting time, let's get started. But before proceeding today's class, let's quickly revise what we have learned so far. So we have learned that what is the reproduction means. So reproduction means creating new life, okay, or producing young one of their own kind, okay, generation after generation, okay, creating new life or producing young one, okay, of their own kind, okay, of their own kind. It means the rabbit will produce one rabbit only, okay, the dog will produce dog only, okay, yes. So they produce of their own kind, okay, yes. If they will not produce, their species will extinct, okay, yes. Then we saw the mode of reproduction, okay. Then we saw the mode of reproduction, that is asexual and sexual, okay. So we saw the how the reproduction take place in yeast, okay. From a single parent cell, it divide and it produces a bud, and then again from that bud it produces many the young one, okay, yes. Now in sexual reproduction, two parents are required, one male and one female, okay. And when their gametes, that is when the sperm of male and the egg of female, they join together, they form zygote and then embryo and then baby, okay, yes. So later on we will discuss it in detail. Now we saw that sexual reproduction in animals, okay. So we saw that the two parents are required to form a baby, okay, yes. Then we saw that there are some animals which do not give directly birth to young one, okay. They produce first egg and then it give to the birth of young one, okay. Whereas there are some animal who give directly birth to young one, okay. So those who produce first egg, those are called oviparous, okay. And those who give birth directly to young one, those are called viviparous, okay, yes. Then we saw the life cycle of monarch butterfly, okay, yes. So this is today's topic, what we are going to learn today, okay. So today's topic is fertilization. So what is fertilization means? So fertilization means that meeting of sperm, that is male gamete, and egg, okay. That means when egg, the sperm, when it meets with the egg, okay, and they form zygote, and later on it develop into baby, okay, baby. So that thing is called the fertilization. Fertilization means meeting of sperm or male gamete with female gamete, that is egg, okay, yes. Now this fertilization, it can be of two types. One is external fertilization and one is internal fertilization, okay. So the animals like frog, the fish, okay, like starfish, okay. So in that animals, the fertilization take place outside the body of the both parents, okay. Means, okay, how this happen, that if we take the example of frog. So in water, the frog, the male, suppose this is a female frog and this is a male frog, okay. So the female frog, it produces egg and it discharge in water, okay. वो पानी में अपने जो eggs होते हैं उसको छोड़ देती है, okay, yes. Then male, it produces the sperm and it also discharge its sperm in water, okay, yes. ये अपने बॉडी में से डिस्चार्ज करते हैं, बाहर निकाल देते हैं sperm. Then these sperms, they meet with the eggs, okay, and the fertilization take place. So since this fertilization is taking place outside their body, okay, इनके बॉडी के बाहर fertilization हो रहा है, that is why it is called external fertilization, okay, yes. If we talk about these eggs of frog, okay, so these eggs are covered with a jelly substance, okay, jelly substance which provide this white substance, jelly substance, which provide protection, okay, protection to eggs, okay, yes. And it provide nourishment to also to the eggs, okay, yes. Then if we so in case of aquatic animals like frog, fishes, okay, starfishes, okay, yes, okay. If we talk about the internal fertilization, okay, अगर internal fertilization में देखें तो ये होता है सभी mammals में, okay. So mammals like the human, the hen, the dog, horse, okay, and all cow, buffalo, all these things, all in these animal internal fertilization take place, okay, means जो मीटिंग ऑफ स्पर्म एंड एग है वो फीमेल के बॉडी के अंदर होता है, ओके, यस, okay, yes, so the female produces the egg, okay, inside its body, okay, the male produces sperm and it discharges its sperm in the female's body, okay, और फीमेल के बॉडी के अंदर जो बेबी है उसका डेवलपमेंट होता है एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड द इंटरनल फर्टिलाइजेशन, ओके, यस, but in internal fertilization again it has two things. So there are one kind of animal who do not who produce inside the baby who is developing inside mother's womb, okay, mother's body. So some animals they lay first egg and then the baby come out from the egg, okay, and the second one are some animals who give directly to the baby, okay. So we have already learned those animals, those who give lays egg, those are called oviparous, and those who give directly birth to young one, those are called viviparous, okay, yes. So that's the thing. Now here is sexual reproduction in humans, okay. So in this topic we are going to learn the, so in this topic we will study the organs of both male and female reproductive system, okay. So if we talk about the male reproductive system, so this is the male reproductive system, okay. So what are the organs present in male reproductive system? So first is a pair of testes, okay, a pair of testes, a pair means two testes, okay, two testes means a pair of testes, okay. So what is the function of testes, why these testes are present? So these testes actually they produce the sperm, okay, they produce a sperm, okay, yes. Then second is a pair of oviduct, okay, sorry, first testis, second a pair of oviduct or sperm duct, okay, sorry, yes, sperm duct, not oviduct, it is sperm duct, okay. So sperm duct are the like pipe, okay, and through this duct or pipe the sperm move from the testis to the this penis, okay, they come to this penis, okay, and third is the penis. So this function of this sperm duct is to carry the sperm from testis to penis, okay, yes, and third is penis. So this is the penis, okay. So what is the function of penis? Its function is to transfer sperm from male body to female body, okay. So these are the three organs which are present in male reproductive system, okay, a pair of testes, a pair of sperm duct and a penis, okay, yes. Now if we see the female's reproductive system, so there are two ovaries, one singular is ovary and plural is ovaries, okay. So these function of ovaries is to produce ova, okay, or egg, ova, ova or egg. So these ovaries or ovary they produce egg, okay, yes. Then yes, we can say that first a pair of ovaries is present, a pair of ovaries, okay. Then a pair of fallopian tube, okay, a pair of means two fallopian tube or oviduct, 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 okay. So the function of this fallopian tube or the oviduct is to carry the eggs from here to here and then from to this uterus, okay, or womb, okay. So the meeting of sperm and this egg that is take place in the fallopian tube only, okay. ये fallopian tube में ही जो sperm और egg का meeting है वो यहीं पे होता है, okay, yes. So first is this ovaries, okay, first is ovaries, second is fallopian tube Okay, and now third is the uterus or a womb. Okay, so here after fertilization, after meeting sperm and egg, it come here and it's stable here. Okay, यहाँ पे जो egg है वो यहाँ पे रहता है और यहीं पे फिर जो बेबी है उसका डेवलपमेंट होता है. Okay, so development of baby take place in the uterus or womb. Okay. Now next is fourth thing is vagina. Okay, so this is vagina, which is the opening of the this फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम. जो फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम होता है इसका जो ओपनिंग है वो एज अ फंक्शन करता है वजाइना. ओके, यस. Now the next is yes, so little in detail like human sperm. Okay, so human sperm is very small. We cannot see with our naked eyes. Okay, it is very small. We can see it with the help of microscope. So it is a three part. One is a head. Okay, head. Okay, and it has a nucleus inside it, nucleus. Then it has a middle part, and then it has a tail. Okay, so it has a three part. Okay, tail help it to move. Okay, yes. ओके, सो जो मेल टेस्टिस होता है, जो मेल टेस्टिस हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे देखा था, जो ये टेस्टिस होता है ये ये जो टेस्टिस होते हैं ये प्रोड्यूस करते हैं मिलियंस ऑफ स्पर्म इन वन डे में मिलियंस ऑफ स्पर्म दे प्रोड्यूस. ओके, यस. एंड yes, they are very small, we have already discussed. Okay, yes. Then the human egg or yes, so this human egg, it is a rounded shape and it is produced in ovaries. Okay, or single ovary. Okay, it is produced in ovary. Okay, yes. And this one egg from any ovary, it is being discharged in this fallopian tube after every 28 days. Okay, मीन्स 28 दिन के बाद यहाँ से सपोज एक जो है यहाँ पे डिस्चार्ज हुआ. ओके, और अगर उसका फर्टिलाइजेशन हो जाता है तो तब देन इट्स ओके. अदरवाइज नेक्स्ट आफ्टर 28 डेज यहाँ से या यहाँ से एक फिर से अगेन एक जो है यहाँ पे डिस्चार्ज होगा. ओके, यस. अगर फर्टिलाइजेशन टेक प्लेस, इफ फर्टिलाइजेशन टेक प्लेस देन इट कम हियर एंड डेवलपमेंट टेक प्लेस. ओके, यस. Yes, so that's all. Okay, one more thing that both the ovary, this egg and sperm both are single celled. Okay, both are single celled, CELLED cell, single celled. Okay, and when they meet, it divide and they form baby. Okay, multicellular baby. Okay, yes. So that's all for today. Here you have some question, try to answer them. What is fertilization? What is internal fertilization? What is external fertilization? List male reproductive organs and list female reproductive organs. Okay, yes. So that's all. Thank you so much. Keep studying. Bye bye.